Hello. I'm supposed to upload a short video talking about myself in English. So my name is Claudia. I'm currently living in Medellin. I have been an English teacher for about 4 years now. I worked for Berlitz, Uniminuto, and other virtual education companies. My level is C1 according to the IELTS test. I lived in the US for 4 years and I graduated from a master's in education at University of Pittsburgh. So my level is quite good, I would say. I have taken pedagogy classes, so I'm willing and I'm able to teach children, youth, and adults. I'm very capable to work with any of these age groups. Um, I'm also, well, projects that I have. When in this moment, I'm working with a university and we're developing a booklet related to our professional development. So I'm editor, I'm also writer, I'm also the one who is doing all arrangements for the book. So I think that's pretty much it. I love working with children. I love teaching. I love music. Um, I am the kind of person who likes to help other people. So if you really want to give me a chance, I have the experience and I'm more than happy to talk to you about my CV. Thank you so much. Bye bye.